All right, so our new neighbor, Donna, said that there's a place up here right next door to where we did our wash that sells fresh squeezed orange juice and whatnot. So we're gonna go investigate. And if they have fresh juice, we're gonna buy it. Isn't that right? Like I said, doesn't make any difference if you go. As long as you stay to the side, doesn't matter what side of the street you're on a bicycle. That said, we're about to take a big right now. Pretty flowers. Keeps looking like it's gonna rain today, but so far it hasn't. Good job. That was some huge I-beams they were working with. As you can see, we're on another street now, running parallel to that other street where I showed you before with the two one-way streets. I think they got names for these streets, but I'll have to find out. Showed you that tower before, but we were on that street right there, going by it. Now we're on the back side of it. And supposedly, across the highway, over that way, is another street that runs the same direction, and it's called the Colonial section of Puerto Morelos. You know we're gonna go there too. Hola. La Cosa del Puerto. That's next bar and off. Everything looks good to me. Local coffee shop. That's me. Love coffee. Good coffee? Okay, here's our juice place. Let these cars go by and we'll flip a Yui. Lava Plus. Okay, here we go. Good juice? Very good? Muy bien? Oh, I'm in. Okay, we got the heads up. They're waiting in line. The juice is so good, they're waiting in line here. Oh, looks like Polo. All right. I'm gonna find out. Jeannie, never mind getting the rotisserie chicken over at the supermarket. This place specializes in it. Polo roticizados. That's for us, huh?
Not tonight.
Not tonight, but one night.
Yes. That's what they're waiting in line for.
They have all different jugs of juice.
That's what they're waiting in line for.
Yep, that's right. See? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Includes tacos, salsa.
Hola.
Hola, juice?
¿De cuál?
Yeah, orange.
Naranja.
Yeah.
Uno, dos.
Uno.
Okay.
Unless you want mandarina. You want mandarin too? Look how many juices they have.
I can't see anything. Oh, yeah, but how big are the
Del
juice?
pollo de la bandería.
They have lemon juice, green juice,
It's a liter.
mandarin juice.
I
Yeah.
think a liter is enough.
Yeah, you want mandarin too? Or do you, orange and mandarin?
No.
That way we
even
can try
the
it?
Orange juice that's in there still.
Yeah, but that's garbage now compared
Throwing
to
it away?
what we're getting.
I didn't say that. That wasn't the...
There's their squeezers. Grapefruit, orange, papaya. Here's the chicken. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. With nice potatoes roasting below. Orange?
Fresh orange juice.
Right. You have mandarin too?
Not today.
Okay.
It's not good today.
No good today?
No, but we have coconut water, we got green juice, we got grapefruit juice, and OJ. Fresh OJ.
The OJ it is.
You want any grapefruit?
No, thank you.
You sure?
No, no.
No, we come back every day.
Okay.
Every day we come back, buy more.
Every day we're here, except Sunday.
Okay.
How much?
30 pesos.
30, it says it right there. So, and then you have chicken. That's your specialty?
And chef specialty.
Today?
Chicken.
Chicken.
Yes.
Every day.
Every day we got some chicken.
But not Sunday.
Not Sunday.
Sunday is, see it is
Sunday is day off.
day off. Day of God. Day of God.
Sí, Día de Dios.
See? Very good. ¿Cómo se llama?
Yo, Daniel.
What is it?
Daniel.
Danielle.
Daniel.
And
Bano.
what is it?
Bano.
Bono.
Yes, I am.
And Brizia? You're all three are going to be on YouTube.
All right.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Live a great story.
Live a great story.
That's
Wow.
it.
Okay.
So we put you up there.
Sure.
Very good. We come back every day for juice.
Okay.
And one day we're going to have chicken also.
Okay.
Those are your specialties, juice and chicken, right? Very good.
Natural.
Thank you.